Diba? Isipin nyo, bro, you're a year bomb. And kami, we're about to be a bomb. Diba? So, ikaw, comment ka na lang sa tracks, diba?
Nasaan? Ito si Mike. Mike Steele.
Di naman. Di naman.
Talaga. Bro,
Sample, sample. Sample tayo, sample. Okay.
it's like a practice din.
Alright, freestyle beat. Project, Project 12. No, Project 14. Let's get it.
I remember that melody when she played the beat. She on the piano keys and I am on the beat. Oh, it's been 2 years now. Still got everything. You're the only one that I want. I just wish that you're here back home. 'Cause I want you back. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back. Hey. You're the only one I need. And you're the reason why I breathe. Oh.
Yo, eto na.
Friends.
Si Prince. At nung nakita kita, ako ay napahinto. Sabay nasabi kong ikaw na yung hinihintay ko. Di ko malaman kung bakit ako nagkaganito. Siguro nga ito na yung pag-ibig na totoo. Sabay nasabi ko ang tatagal na love at first sight. Cause every time I see you girl, I just want it on your side. Ikaw ang babae nagpatibok sa puso ko na bato. Then I come up to a conclusion na ikaw na ngayon. So tuwing kasama kita, ang oras ko'y bumibigit. Hindi na ako mapipigilan at hindi na to magmimintis. Aking pasasalamat ko na nakilala kita. Pinapangakong iibigin ka magpakailanman. Then, Ulang ang gusto kong makasama. Gagawin na ikaw na ang gagawin. Babalik ako sa mahal kita. Mahal kita. You're the only one in me. Mahal kita. The reason why I breathe. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. If you love someone, put your hands in the air.